Assalamu alaikum class 7. Today we have to do question number 5 to 9 of test paper number 2. Question number 5 is evaluate 9x square minus 102x plus 290 when x is equals to 5 2 over third. So firstly we have to convert the value of x into the fraction. Then we have to put the value of x in the given equation. X is equals to 5 2 over 3. That means 3 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 17 over 3. So x is equal to 17 over 3. Now we have to put this value in this equation. That is 9 times 17 over 3 whole square minus 102 times 17 over 3 plus 290. After opening a square, 17 square will be equals to 289 and 3 square is 9. Now we have to do the possible cutting. 3 ones are 3 and 3 34s are 102, 9 ones are 9 and 9 ones are 9. And we get the remaining terms 289 minus 34 times 17, that is 578 plus 290. 289 minus 578 we will get negative 289 and plus 290. Plus minus minus, the remaining answer will be 1. So 1 is a solution of this equation when x is equals to 5 2 over 3. Question number 6. Solve x minus 2 over 2 equals to 1 minus x minus 3 over 2. So firstly we have to multiply on both sides by the LCM, that is 2. So 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 2 over 2 equals to 2 times 1 minus 2 times x minus 3 over 2. Now we have to do the possible cutting. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and we get 2x minus x minus 2 equals to 2 ones are 2 negative x minus 3. Now we have to open the brackets. After opening the brackets we will get 2x minus x plus 2 equals to 2 minus x plus 3. Now we have to solve it. 2x minus x, that is x plus 2 equals to 2 plus 3, that is 5 minus x. Now x, this negative x will become positive x equals to 5 minus 2. X plus x, that is 2x, and 5 minus 2, that is 3. So x is equals to 3 over 2, or x is equals to 1 over 2. This is a mixed form. Question number 7. Twice a positive number exceeds 1/3 of it by 25. Find the number. So the number is not given, so we have to suppose it. Suppose the number is equals to x. Now according to the condition, twice a positive number, so that number is x, so the twice is 2x. Twice a positive number exceeds 1/3 by 25. Exceeds mean उसमें add होगा 1/3 of by 25. So 2x is equals to 1 over 3x plus 25. Now we have to take the LCM, that is 3, and multiplying on both sides by 3. 3 times 2x is equals to 3 times 1 over 3x plus 3 times 25. After cancellation we will get 6x is equals to x plus 3 times 25, that is 75. Now this x will become negative on the left hand side. 6x minus x equals to 75. 6x minus x, that is 5x equals to 75. Now 5 is going to be divided by 75 and we will get x is equals to 15. So thus the number is 15. Now our next question is question number 8. That is, the question number 8 consists of 3 parts. The part number 1 is reduce this to a monomial and find its value when p equals to minus 1, q is equals to 1 and r is equals to 2. Simply we have to multiply these terms and at the end we have to put the values of p, q and r to find this numerical value. 5pqr times minus 3p square qr cube into minus 2 over 15 q square. 5 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 over 15. Now the p times p square, q times q square, r times r cube. 5 ones are 5 and 5 3 are 15. Now 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Negative negative positive 2. p cube q4 r4. This is the monomial term, and now we have to put the value of p, q and r, that is minus 1, 1 and 2 respectively. So 2 times minus 1 cube, 1 power 4 and 2 power 4. Minus 1 cube equals to minus 1, 1 power 4 is always 1, and 2 power 4, that is 16. And after the multiplication we will get negative 32. Part number 2 is simplify 4x square minus 3x times x minus 2 minus x times x plus 2. So 4x square, 3x going to be multiplied with the whole bracket, so that is minus 3x square minus minus positive 3 2 is 6x minus x square plus minus minus 2 times x. Now we have to solve for x square and 3x square, that is plus minus minus, and we will get x square and the remaining terms as it is. Now this positive x square will be cancelled out with this negative x square and we will get 6x minus 2x, that is 4x. Part number 3 is given that x minus a times x minus b times x minus c equals to x cube minus into a plus b plus c times x square plus ab plus bc plus ca times x plus abc. The formula is given in the question. You have to use this formula to find the value of x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. Now by using this formula, we can write x cube as it is minus as it is. A is 1, B is 2 and C is 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 times x square plus AB means 1 times 2, 2. BC 2 times 3, that is 6. CA, that is 1 times 3, that is 3 times x plus ABC, multiplication of AB and C, so 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. X cube minus 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6 x square, 6 plus 2 that is 8, 8 plus 3 that is 11, x plus 6, that's the answer. Now the question number 9 is expand. There are two parts. The first part is that 3a minus 2b plus c whole square. So we have to take 3a minus 2b as a and c as b. So a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, that is 3a minus 2b whole square plus 2 times the first number 3a minus 2b and the second bracket plus c whole square. Now we have to apply the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. 2 in times c, that is 2c into 3a minus 2b plus c square. 9a square minus 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So 12ab plus 4b square plus 2 3 is 6ac minus 2 2 is 4bc plus c square. Now we have to arrange these values. 9a square plus 4b square plus c square minus 12ab plus 6ac minus 4bc, that's the answer. Second part is 5a square minus 3b cube whole square. So a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 according to the formula, the first number in the first bracket and the last one in the second bracket. 5 square 25, a square square, that is a power 4, negative 2 5 is 10, 10 3 is 30, 30 a square b cube plus 3 square is 9 and b power 3 square is b 6. So that's our answer. Okay students, I hope you will understand this lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.